Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove a saved place in Waze. So if you no longer need a saved location in Waze, you can remove it from your saved places in a few simple steps. So actually guys, first you will need just to open Waze on your smartphone, right? And then just go ahead and tap on the search icon or the search bar that you can find at the bottom of your phone's screen. So once you tap it here, you will need to tap on the saved tab. So it's beside the gas, food, parking, grocery, and more. So just go ahead and tap on saved here. Right, so here you will find multiple places that you already saved, and then just tap on or select one and tap on the three dots that's located next to it. So here you will find multiple options, whether you want to share location, routes, info, that means the infos about the place or location, to find parking on that location, the rename it, add shortcuts, and at the end we have remove, right? So once you tap on remove here, you will be prompted with are you sure message. So you only just go with yes here and to confirm it, that way you removed it or deleted it from your saved places, right? So the location, as you can see, will then be removed from your saved places. So it's important to know that removing a saved place does not delete the actual location from Waze. It only removes that location from your personal saved list. So you can search for the location again and save it later if needed. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.